strain the oil and see what it looks like. Relatively clean. Come on. Wait. See if we get any metal flakes. Okay, it was low on oil. Very low, actually. Well, I'm glad it didn't seize on me. I don't know, it kind of does have a metallic tint to it. There may be a little bit of metal in there, actually. Yep, there's a couple of metal shavings in there. Okay, there's not even a quart of oil in there, I think. Okay. So, here's the oil filter cap right here. Let's see what that looks like. Seller said to replace the oil. I don't think so. This stuff is black. See if there's a filter in there. Even. Yep, there's a filter. Any metal shavings? Oh my gosh. There are so many metal shavings. I've never seen anything like this. Alright, here's how bad it is. These are gritty freaking shavings, and I just grabbed some from out of there. Look at this. This is bad. This is horrible. It's the worst I've ever seen. Guess we're doing some engine work this winter. Here's the filter, by the way. Look at all these shavings here. Yeah, that's not good. It's not good at all. It's terrible. Which maybe they just accumulated over the life of the bike. It's also quite possible. Well, the good thing is it has a oil filter. Yeah, we're not going to start it for a while.
So at this point, I decided to order new oil filters and change the oil before running the engine and attempting a more serious test ride. Also, the tires were extremely low, and I added a lot of air to get them to the proper pressure. I also adjusted the throttle play and the clutch. See you in the next one.